What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. Let's go ahead and rip some packs. We got a special delivery in today. This is the Panini Illusions. It just came out within the past week, 2022. Big rookies in this are Kenny Pickett, Chris Olave, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for autographs, and we're looking for rookie cards. Wonderful display. I love the boxing that Panini uses for this. It really is an enjoyable experience. All right, Panini Illusions. In this one, we are nearly guaranteed 3 autographs and 2 memorabilia cards per box. And this is a little bit more on the pricey side of the football card spectrum, but that's okay. That's what we're after. We're after things like low number cards, autographs, special editions, that sort of thing. And there's some really cool inserts and some other cards in the Panini Illusions. So without really getting into all that, because we could spend all day talking about it, let's get into ripping some packs. So first off, let's kind of identify. Those feel about the same. See if there's anything that's thicker, stands out a little bit. Sometimes that one feels, that's thicker. That one's thicker. That one's thicker. Let's see. And this one. So we're going to save these 3 for last. These seem a little bit thicker than some of the other packs. This one seems kind of thick too. So we'll save those for last. Let's go ahead and get some of these packs open and quit rambling. All right, pack number 1. We're looking for numbered cards. We got an eagle back there. Numbered cards and autographs. Treylon Burks rookie card. Jahan Dotson rookie card. Dak Prescott. George Kittle. This is one of the variations here. Number 6 out of 299. So we'll set that one aside. And then last is a Mystique. Looks like a base Mystique of Carson Strong. Yep, not numbered. Set that aside. Keep working. Keep ripping till we get something good. Ooh, that looks like something good. Got a Derrick Henry there on the back. Hopefully that is an autographed card. We'll see. Breece Hall, rookie card. That's a good one. These are the base cards. Russell Wilson. James Conner. Oh, here we go. Christian Watson. Derrick Henry Shining Stars. Nice. Christian Watson. 169 of 199. Christian Watson autograph. So, numbers are kind of high, but the card is super cool. There's one of our autographs. Also, these Shining Stars. Look at that. Derrick Henry, that looks awesome. Set him aside too. Nice second pack there. All right, looks like, can't tell what that is. Illusions maybe on the back. Kenneth Walker III. That's a good rookie. He had a fantastic season. Justin Fields base card. Nick Chubb base card. Matthew Stafford base card. We got a blue Michael Thomas. And that's not really a great card since he's not really that good anymore. 68 of 199. And last is our illusionist, Kenneth Walker. That is a good one. That's a blue card. And that one should be numbered. It is 139 to 299. So that's a good one. Make an illusionist stack over here, and let's keep going. So far, so good. Super happy about that. There's a numbered Aaron Rodgers on the back. Looks like a King of Cards. But yeah, super happy about that Christian Watson autograph. Kirk Cousins. Jameson Williams base rookie. Elijah Moore. This is a blue one, 11 of 199, Stephon Diggs. That's solid. And then King of Cards, Aaron Rodgers. And this one is numbered. It's a red, 120 to 199. Not even halfway through yet. We're still looking for 2 more autographs and 2 patches. Isaiah Spiller here on the back. Ryan Tannehill base card. Trayvon Walker base card rookie. Dameon Pierce rookie base card. Ooh, another Christian Watson 13 out of 75. Blue, that's a good one. And this is Isaiah Spiller, numbered 20 of 399. I'll save you with the other Christian Watson. So it's been a Packers box so far, Christian Watson box, plus a couple other numbered cards. That Stephon Diggs is pretty solid. These Mystiques look really good. All right, so we will put him with the other Mystique. Let's keep going, keep ripping. More Green Bay Packers. That's an Aaron Rodgers. That's a Funkadelic base. It doesn't look like it's numbered, which sucks. All right, CeeDee Lamb base card. Daniel Jones base card. Looks like a Malik Willis rookie card. Below that, 32 of 499, Sky Moore. That's solid. I like what he's going into the Super Bowl, but yeah, he's going to have a pretty sizable role in the Super Bowl. Excited to see what he does there. Lastly, Funkadelic Aaron Rodgers, unnumbered. Still a cool card though. All right. Working on the back 9. Ooh, who's that? Drake London on the back. SS15. I'm hoping that is a signature card as well. Austin Eckler base card. Derrick Henry base card. Kyler Murray base card. Alec Pierce. I bet this is our autograph. Nope, patch. That is a patch. That's okay. Those are cool cards too. Drake London. Shining Stars. These are not numbered, but these are really cool looking cards. So far we've got a Derrick Henry and a Drake London Shining Stars. All right. We're getting into the thick cards though. These kind of stood out as being much thicker than the rest of the pack. So hopefully we have saved the best for last. Ooh, that's a Christian McCaffrey right there. That is a CMC, folks. Christian McCaffrey at the back. That's an amazing. I just saw the corner. All right, James Cook, base rookie card. Derek Carr, base card. Mike Evans, base card. Ooh, double autograph. Who is this? Tyquan Thornton and Pierre Strong. 2-color patch, double autograph. Number 13 of 35. And last, a Christian McCaffrey. Amazing. 2 more packs left, y'all. Well, we've got 3 autographs, or 2 cards with autographs on them. Let's see if we get another one. We should get at least another patch. Or another autograph. Possibly both. We'll see. Ooh. James Cook, rookie card on the back there. That is a thin card. All right, base, Joe Mixon. Christian Watson, base rookie. Yeah, we nailed it with Christian Watson in this one. Devonta Smith, about to play in a Super Bowl, base rookie. John Mechie III, number 4 of 99. So this is probably going to be our patch and our 3rd autograph. I've already got one of John Mechie too. Lastly, we have a Operation Detonation rookie card. James Cook. Those cards look awesome. Those are really neat. Last pack, guys. So, let's see. Just to kind of sum up this box, we have got John Mechie, 4 of 99, autographed patch, rookie card. Tyquan Thornton, Pierre Strong. This is a Christian Watson, numbered to 75. This is my favorite pull so far, and that is the Christian Watson autographed rookie. Throw in a Alex Pierce patched, and various other acetates, couple other numbered cards. So, but this is what we're looking at for the haul so far. So let's open up this last pack. Fingers crossed. Got a Stephon Diggs in the very back. OD, looks like that's Operation Detonation, Stephon Diggs. Flip them over. Jameis Winston. DeAndre Swift. Trey Lance. All these are base cards. All right, this one's turned around backwards, so let's see what we got here. Jameson Williams, number, looks like 11 JW. Patch, Jameson Williams, 3-color patch, 67 to 75. It's a great looking card. And of course, Operation Detonation, Stephon Diggs. I like these Operation Detonation cards. These and the Shining Stars, they're not numbered. They're thin, but man, these are great looking cards. They really look awesome. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been fun. This is basically the haul, minus a handful of other cards. I only got one Illusionist in this one, and it's one of the ones I would have wanted. Oops, come on. And it is the Kenneth Walker rookie Illusionist, so that's a really cool card too. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been fun. Y'all take care.